Hi, I'm Janet Smith, Communications Specialist at 4 County, and welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Cam. Cameron Shepard is one of our wonderful member service representatives, but she's also a fabulous cook. Every month, she's going to fix the recipe that we feature in our newsletter in the Carolina Country Magazine. Today, she's going to fix her own recipe, her delicious breakfast casserole. We all love it here at 4 County, and I know you will too. Take it away, Cam.
Hey y'all, and welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Cam. I'm so excited about this, y'all. Anywho, we're going to go ahead and get started with cooking our breakfast casserole. This is listed in our Carolina Country for this month. What you'll need is a pound of sausage, a half of medium onion diced up, 2 cups of cheese, 8 eggs, a fourth a cup of maple syrup, and of course salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And of course you have to get the good old crescent rolls. Make sure it's honey butter because that's good stuff. But anywho, we'll go ahead and get started cooking this. I'm gonna go ahead, get this sausage and these onions cooked up, and I'll be right back. I feel like I got sped up. Okay, so we got our sausage and onions cooked. We got that done. We got our oven cooking at 350 right now, getting preheated. We're gonna go ahead and spray our casserole dish down. And then we're gonna go ahead and lay out our crescent rolls. So we got that prepped up and ready for everything else. We're gonna go ahead and get our eggs cracked. This is like the best part. And these are good farm eggs. I got a friend that has a bunch of chickens and they have handed me 4 dozen eggs. I don't cook that much. They need to find me some quiches. They need to find me some egg in a hole, something. I don't know what else to do with these eggs. There's too many. All right, so we have broken all 8 eggs and there was no casualties. There's no eggshells in here. Thank you, Jesus. That's always a good thing. We're gonna go ahead and dump our sausage and onions in here as well. It'll be a little warm. That'll be okay. It's not gonna completely cook your eggs. It ain't gonna try to cook your eggs. It'll be all right. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our cheese. We're not gonna add all of it. We are going to add a good portion of it and we're gonna leave some for the top, just to help it get crispy. Then we're gonna add a fourth a cup of maple syrup. Then we are gonna add our little bit of seasoning. We got a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And now I get to mix all this goodness up. I was trying to find a good recipe and I did some fixing up with this one. Of course, Pinterest is always a good idea to find recipes on. And if you wanted to do bacon instead, you could do a pound of bacon. If you want to do veggies instead, put in all the veggies. If you want to take the cheese out, just have a pancake. We don't remove cheese in this house. All right, so we are done mixing that up. And the best part of this whole thing is picking it up and putting it in. And then you spread it all around. That looks pretty already. Make sure you get them corners. All All right, and then the final touch is putting the cheese on top. Even though I didn't save that much, it'll be all right. I should have saved more cheese. All right, so everything is prepped up. So we'll go ahead and put this in our oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. And while you wait on that, you can go ahead and fold that laundry that's been sitting in your chair in the living room for about a week. I know it's been sitting there. You go ahead and fold it now. Or read a book, whatever you want to do. That's a long time to wait. But it's going to be good, I promise you. Y'all, I'm so glad this is done because I am starving. So we're going to go ahead and get this out, let it cool for a little bit, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all. So we let her cool off just a good, about 10-15 minutes, just because I didn't want to burn myself. But I am starving. So this is our breakfast casserole, and I'm so excited. We're gonna go ahead and cut us a nice little piece here. And normally I would put maple syrup on my piece, because that's my business. But we ain't gonna do that today. We'll just go ahead and try it just like it is. We'll put her to the side. That is it. And that is a good old little piece of breakfast casserole right there. With all the eggs and the sausage and the cheese and the honey butter croissants. Look at them. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It always makes me happy. It's good stuff. The onions are perfect, of course. Sausage is always great. I hope y'all get to try this at home. Thank you for watching the first, hopefully not the last, episode in Cooking with Cam. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for updates on the company at Fort County, and also for when we put out new episodes of Cooking with Cam. See y'all later, guys.